Aalagaan at mamahalin kita ng buong puso. Buong sa iyo.
Cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep
Perfect
on
time,
waiting.
perfect weather,
But then you
and
came
with
along
perfect
and
people.
made
Wow,
so
perfect.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better.
Hindi madali ang mga
You're making me
pinagdaanan
wanna try
natin,
forever.
pero
I feel
huwag kang
so
mag-alala.
free.
Mas marami pa ang
Oh, my
parating.
sweet baby.
Pero sa kabila ng lahat,
Sinong
mag-aakala? Kahit pagpalayo ako, hindi ko maitanggi na nilalagay ka ni Lord sa puso ko.
But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum.
I assure you, mahal, today you will be with me in
All the
paradise.
pieces back
Wala.
together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. I'm a sweet baby.
Naalala ko pa rin yung time na tinanggihan mo ako magkape. If you know that story, that's so sad. And that was 28.
Ayun nga, niyaya mo ako magkape. Nagpaalam mo kay Pastora, hindi pwede. Lumipas ang taon, 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23, at 24. Alam ko na ikaw yung nilaan ni Lord para sa akin.
Okay ba?
Pogi.
Okay ba tayo dito?
Siyempre. Bira.
Kaya nga eh.
Naniniwala talaga ako si Lord kung tumawag sa'yo.
And si Lord din nagtatakda talaga ng lahat.
Salamat sa palagi mong paggabay sa amin.
And I know yung sacrifices niya, madami. Hindi ko man lang siya nasuklian yung life na deserve niya. Kung naantay niya lang sana ako kahit konti pa. Pero yun, ang hinayang. Noon pa man pala, meron na tayong connection. And noon pa man pala, sinusulat na pala talaga ni Lord yung story natin. And this is part of the story. Kung saan ikakasal tayo habang pinipilis tayo ng ulan.
Tinatanggap mo ba si Aris maging tunay na asawa sa hirap at ginhawa habang ikaw ay nabubuhay?
Opo.
Ayun.
Yes po.
Yun.
Yes na yes. To the max.
lagi pong may tanong sa akin, ito na ba yung makakasama ko for the rest of my life? It's always a question. Pero ngayon, hindi. It's a declaration. Ito ang makakasama ko for the rest of my life.
Akin ang ipinahayag na si Aris at Beverly ay mag-asawa na sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo.
Mahal! I can't wait to travel the world with you. I love you so much, Mahal. You are my best friend, my best partner, and my always and forever.